As I always say in everything, alam niyo na to sa lahat ng videos. This is Joel Pedro of OK Campout. Thank you guys.
Hello mga call, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video mga call is pupunta tayo sa OK Campout Season 4 sa Crystal Beach, Zambales. So nasa 308 km yung lalakbay natin para marating natin yung Crystal Beach. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Lokban. So thank you kay Sir Roy ng Patakim. Busog na busog kami. So ngayon is diretso na tayo. May mga ano pa tayo next week after ng event. So focus muna tayo dito ngayon kung ano yung mga pwede nating mapakita sa inyo. So tara. So pagas muna tayo. Dito tayo ngayon sa Los Baños, Laguna. Medyo inantok ako Full tank muna tayo dito sa sasakyan natin para tuloy-tuloy yung biyahe pagpasok natin sa expressway.
Running through fire in a cold white light. Got my sins in my pocket, I'ma feel real tight. Every wrong turn, got a voice, got a name. Still I'm here with my hands in the flame. They said slow down, play that bad behave. But I've been raised by the mess that I made. Broken mirrors in a mortal mind. Every scar got a story, got a loss, got a sign. Hands in the sky, but my feet in the dirt. Still dancing with the things that hurt. Eyes on the flame, but my heart won't break. Still running with the risk.
So, first stop natin mga kulis dito sa Mexico, Pampanga. Ito yung unit natin. So, antay lang natin sila Sir Darwin na darating dito. Walis na raw sila. So, ito yung officially partner ng OK Campout Season 4 ng Overland Kings. Shell Mobility Mexico, Pampanga. Yan. So, dito na tayo. So, antayin lang natin sila. Marami pang kaganapan. Hi, sir. Basta, okay lang. Akala ko dalawang sasakyan kayo. Ayun o, ganda. Ayun, ganda ng Hilux.
They want peace, but you want pressure loud. You want truth in a screaming crowd. If the future comes, there's some doubt. You would drag it, you would wear it out, out, out. Hands in the sky, but my feet in the dirt. Still dancing with the things that hurt, hurt. Eyes on the flame, but my heart won't break. Still running with the risks I take. We don't fall, we got light and we ignite. We don't grow, we set fire.
So, punta na tayong Crystal Beach. So, sama tayo sa convoy pero tayo yung pinakahuli. So, nagmamayabang, nagpahuli pero tayo yung pinakamaliit. Kita natin, yan na yung convoy yata.
We set fire to the night. Scream my name when the sky goes black. We don't run, we're coming back. We don't fall, we got light and we ignite. We don't grow, we set fire to the night. Scream my name when the sky goes black. We don't run, we're coming back.
Girl, I see that you want it. Driving me crazy with that fire in your eyes. Oh, but I try to ignore it. Part of me wants to see you read between the lines. before. Don't you call me Casanova. I can see you falling slowly. I'm just trying to get to know ya. We can take our time, come and show me. Nervous in the air, aroma. I don't wanna try to make you mine. Don't you call me Casanova. Just want you to
I
love
know you
me.
want this. Isn't it crazy how the stars have fallen aligned? Oh, yeah. But can I be honest? I'm so afraid to fall too deep or flow too high. 'Cause all of this chemistry, it caught me by surprise. Baby, won't you take your time with loving me, love me? I promise, boy, that we'll be alright. I don't want the rush to get the best of me, best of me. It just makes me want you more and more.
Call me Casanova. You see me falling slowly. I'm just trying to get to know ya. We can take our time, come and show me. Nervous in the air, aroma. I don't wanna try to make you mine. Call me Casanova. Just want you to love me. I want you standing right here next to me. No other way, that's how it's supposed to be. We've been going
Dito na tayo sa Crystal Beach. So, nagpila lang para papasok kung saan hinahanap yung mga QR code. Tayo natin. Saan ba yung sa akin? Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Thank you, ma'am. Hello, ba?
I can't do that. I have no idea how to speak Bisaya.
Na.
Vlog mo, English, ha?
Na.
English.
Oh, sagutin mo ng English.
This is
Sagot.
Kuya Dodong. Say hi.
Hi.
So he's from, you know where they came from?
No.
Davao. You know
Oh
where
wow,
that
that's
is?
really far.
Yes,
Somewhere-
1,600 kilometers.
Okay.
Okay, explain in English.
Okay.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. This is your camp.
Then, pat-translate natin kay Kuya Mane. Translate.
These are your wristbands. Please wear them at all times so that you can get food. My dad says. And then
Translate.
This is your. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. This is your camp card. The salsa dinner will be served on day 2. Hala hala will be served later on. In order to get the camp towel, please join our stamp rally of all the brands, and then claim your camp cat at the Domingos restaurant. All 3 of these are next to the Domingos restaurant as well. And then this is your raffle ticket. Please don't lose it. And then put it at the raffle box at the Domingos restaurant.
Wow.
And then
Option mo na lang yan.
Ito caption. Hindi, gusto ko ipa-translate sa kanya eh.
Pag-video mo, ano sinabi niya? Ulitin mo nga.
Okay.
this is your Crystal Beach voucher.
Ang haba ng explanation. Shout out, Koro.
Season 4, let's go!
Explain mo man kung ano yung pinagsasabi ng daughter ni Sir.
Don't talk to me. Talk to my lawyer.
Good morning, Sir.
Maayos ang biyahe niya.
Oh, okay na lang po.
So, siksik kayo dyan, go straight. We save the spot for you in the front.
Ah.
So, yeah, follow the team na lang.
Nandun si Sir Darwin.
Yes!
Ah,
Thank you!
Sige, thank you, Sir. Uy, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So let's go. Okay, Camp Out Season 4. So yung mga kasamahan namin last year. So dito pa rin si Sir. Yung Delica, tapos Sir Darwin. Then dito pa rin tayo. Parang dito yata tayo last year. So iba naman yung mga kapitbahay natin dito. Ayan. So, ikot-ikot tayo mga kol. May mga balahaw na mga sasakyan. So, tingnan natin. Sobrang init. So, tingnan natin dun. Yung mga pick-up na balahaw. Hello! Kumusta? So, ikot-ikot lang muna tayo. Mamaya is relax lang. Grabe yung init. So, yung Ford na balahaw. Grabe, sakit ng init. Ayan, si USAP. Nandito rin with Adventure Kings RTT. Yan, nabalahaw. Yung pick up. Brother.
Kamusta doon?
Okay na, set up na. Nabalahaw.
Hirap din kasi i-adjust din namin tong trailer. Dapat nakarap yung gusto
Ah.
nila boss kasi nakarap dito. Lambot kasi brother ng ano?
Kahit mag-air down.
Hi sir, yung ticket niyo.
Saan dito? Ito?
Tatlong goodies and makakapag-claim po kayo ng camp towel once na napapirma niyo po ito sa ng partner po namin. Pag okay na po siya, may pirma na po sila lahat. Pwede niyo na po i-claim ng camp towel.
Ah, okay.
Here po.
Namin yan. Thank you.
Sir, just in case, baka gusto niyo pong mag-purchase ng...
Pag may matira na lang.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, ito yung claim namin na ano.
Opo.
Ah,
Rapo sir. Thank you
sige,
po.
sige po. Sige po. Thank you po. Thank you. So, ayan. Nakuha na natin yung ating freebies. So, isa-isahin natin. Bagay ba? Bagay na bagay. Tapos, yun. Kia na towel. Tapos, dash. Ayan. Ayun. Ilaw. Ano bang pailaw, man? Dami ng ganito ko. Ayan. Ilaw. Ayan. So, function. Then, alcohol para iwas germs. Kasi wala tayong ligo, gawing pahumot. Amoy. So, double purpose to. Ayan. Dami. Happy toothpaste. Tapos ito. Uy, M2. Yes, sir. M2. Yung may-ari ng Delicadon. Sa kanila yung produkto na to. Ito, Citronilla Cloth Spray. Yun. Sa mahilig kape, mahilig magkape. Yun. Sponsored by Pascat. Baka naman, ma-sponsoran nyo kami ng transpo. Punta Cebu. So, ayan. So, Pascat. Kung gusto nyo, nagmamadali kayo, Pascat yan mga ko. Then, smooth din yung ride. Ito. So, meron, hindi ko nakakita yung ganito ko. Ito, pag wala kayong basurahan, ito yung gagamitin nyo. Tapos, yun, from Home Life. Then, may sticker tayo ng Black Rhino Hard Alloys. Ayan, from Black Rhino. Tapos, may sticker pa tayo ng Overland Kings. Ayan. May sticker pa tayo ng Nito Tires. Baka naman. May pangpaamoy pa tayo na strawberry sa ating sasakyan kasi amoy kulog na. Tapos ito, PIA. Ang horn ng mga malakas. Tapos, ito, eco bag from Overland Kings. So, yan yung previous natin mga call. Then, marami pang iba. Meron pang parapol. Meron pa ding parapol at saka baka may test drive bukas. Bronco. Ganun natin dun sa kalda. So, abangan nyo yan. Vlog natin lahat. So, marami pang event dito. Sa ngayon, yan lang muna.